The thing I'm most grateful for this Ramadan is my mother. I cannot count the amount of blessings that I have received through her from God. The way she supports me, her support for me is just endless. She's my biggest inspiration. I aspire to be just like her. I hope that I'm half the father or the parent to my children that she was to me. And I just want to say that I love her and I want everyone to love their parents. Eid Mubarak.
My name is Abdul Ismail. I'm a biomedical scientist. I work for the NHS. I'm so grateful for being healthy and being able to go to the mosque and pray Tarawih every night in this holy month of Ramadan. I would just want to say Happy Eid to everyone around the world and Eid Mubarak.
My name is Mohammed Saeed Ahmed, a TV presenter at Universal Somali TV. This Ramadan is special. It's special because I would like to thank you, the viewers, wherever you are. Happy Eid Mubarak. Thank you.
My name is Fatima. The most thing I'm grateful for Ramadan is living in a country where allows me to practice my faith freely. Happy Eid.